Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today for you, I am going to be swatching the new Stella Chroma polish for the April 2021 polish pickup. This month's theme is 90s nostalgia, and it's going to be happening April 2nd through April 5th. And their shade is inspired by a Rolling Stone cover from April of 1992 with Nirvana on it, and the shade is called Corporate Magazines Still Suck, and it is described as a vibrant green shade that has a gold shimmer and a hollow flake, as well as a red and yellow shifting flaky. And this is a very bold green, I would say. It covered perfectly in two coats, and it just looks really fun. Then, in addition to that being available during the polish pickup, they're also going to have this little spray here. This is actually a refreshing mask spray. So it's for those times whenever you are out and you are wearing your face mask and it's starting to smell, a little off. Maybe you had some garlic, or maybe just smells a little stale. You can use this and kind of just spritz on the inside real quick before you put it back on, and it'll give it a refreshed smell. The notes in this one are actually orange, cardamom, and mint, and it's $7 for the spray bottle, and it's a really nice size. It is 2 fluid ounces, but I feel like it's gonna last you a long time, and it does have a very fresh, clean smell. I really liked it, which I wasn't 100% sure I was gonna like the cardamom part of it, because it's not usually like my sort of thing, but it's not overpowering. I feel like everything's very equally smelled. So it makes for a really nice scent, and the mint definitely gives it a nice refresher in my opinion. So both of those are going to be available during the April polish pickup. The polish is going to be $13, and actually $1 for every bottle sold is actually going to be donated to the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. And then for the mask spray, that one is going to be $7. And none of these have caps also, I want to mention. So that, I think, covers everything. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or anything, let me know down below and I will do my best to help you out. But other than that, I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye!